Well, I'm most of the way back down. I think I went down a different gully, but should be intersecting the road pretty soon. I wonder if this is the gully that forked off to the right. I wonder, because I think I went a little further east, I think, than the previous gully. This is not familiar, but I should be getting back to near the road really soon. And I can see it from, I was able to see it from up above. I see footprints in here too. Not mine, but I should be coming back pretty soon. It's almost like there's like a hiker's path here. That's kind of worked in over the years. Saw some footprints coming back down this way. So when I went up, the rock outcropping was on my right. Not the summit one. There was another rock outcropping. This time I think I passed it on the opposite side. But now I'm down in this little gully. Again, it's not very difficult to hike through this either. It's pretty easy. I see some tire tracks already coming up. Here's the road. So, I'm back at the road. Now I'm going to go head this way. This will take me back to my car. That was pretty up there. That was pretty cool. My left foot's a little sore right now. Yeah, it's not used to hiking. I just got to get used to hiking again. But yeah, I'm back on the dirt road. Again, that's towards Onyx Peak. I know I'm heading the right way. But I think I came a little farther out on the way back down from the mountain summit. So it's good to know your surroundings. Know where, know your landmarks. If you're going to go cross country, especially, know your landmarks. Get to know where the peaks are. Learn what the peaks, get to know what the peaks are, where they are in relation to where you are. And that'll help you navigate your way back as well, if you ever get caught up. Oh, that's over towards Lightning Gulch Point. Like I said, just pay attention to your surroundings when you do cross-country hiking. It will help. Also, landmarks that are immediate, like maybe some odd-shaped trees, or shrubs, or some weird rocks, or even, I hate to say it, maybe even like old cans or whatever that people leave here on the trail, on the road, all the time. So just keep mindful of your surroundings. Basically, from here on, I'm just going to be following this back to my car. So I'll have one last wrap-up video at the car when I'm there. So I'll see you when I get there. It's just following this back is all it is. Pretty simple. So I'll see you back for our last update, last video, wrap up and I will see you then.